Now this has got to be one of the most picturesque stations I've ever been to. Wow. Look at this place. Jesus Christ. Anyway, there goes 35408 and 350... Was it 246 on the rear? Working the 0828 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes Central. And here we are at Cheddington. I've wanted to come here for so long, you don't even understand. Wow. The views is unreal. Jesus Christ, look at this place. And I'm going to be here for about 2 hours. So yeah, Good Friday today, bank holiday. Off-peak tickets for a weekday. Why not? Get out of the house, come down to Cheddington and enjoy it. So yeah, this time, when I went on the West Coast Main Line a few months ago now, we didn't have no freight at all. This time we've got freight. We've got some freight. So yeah, today we're going to be seeing services by London Northwestern Railway, Avanti West Coast, and some freight train. Hold on. I can see a headlight getting towards me, I think. Well, I'll let you know in a minute. I think I see something down there, but yeah, enjoy the video here at Cheddington and see what shall turn up. So yeah, should be seeing a couple of freight trains, LNWR services and Avanti services. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, our first pass of the day is going to be an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. And this is being worked by 39155 on this one. Giving it the full beans. And away she goes. Love the catenary bouncing as well. So yeah, about the freight trains, we've got quite a few running. I've got a light loco coming through in a minute. So I should see about 4 maybe here, maybe 4 or 5. And after my next station, should see a couple at my next station as well. So I think I'm either going to go Berkhamsted or I'm going to go Apsley. So they're my 2 I've chose after this. So yeah, I think I might go more towards Berkhamsted. But yeah, nice. So it goes 39155. Okay, getting ready to pass through now. It's going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, going from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley. As behind me, it comes in as the 0848 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. So this should get the 390 first. Yep, I think we'll get the 390 first. Off to Edinburgh Waverley, running about 3 minutes late. Where is she? Oh, there she is. 39115 and there's 35401. In the middle is 350-112. And on the rear is 350-123. And 39115's front name was Alison. Well, I shall get her buggering off in a second. Okay, departing out now is the 0848 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. And away she goes. Lovely. I should have a light loco in a second. Don't think it'll be the next clip, but we should have a light loco in the next few clips. Okay, pass through now. It's going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. 391.24 on that one. And away she goes. Next train might be the light loco. Let me just have a quick double check. No, can't see it yet. It's going to be a 69. I've checked already. But she's nowhere to be seen yet. She's due in about 2 minutes. And there's a pass. Yep, there's the pass. That'll be the next clip. I can see it coming down now. Okay, coming through now is going to be a pair of London Northwestern Railway Class 350s going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, chasing the 390s. .107 and 115, as you should have. Still can't see it. It says it's due in 30 seconds basically. That 69 is literally about to come through. Well, that should be the next clip hopefully, this light loco 69. It's 69009, the red maroon one, which is I don't think it's one I've seen yet, so yeah, should be the next clip hopefully. Okay, right, quickly, this is going to be London Euston's Birmingham New Street, pair of Class 350s. Then got the 69 from Ilford EMUD to Kettering Stabling sidings, and then a DB Cargo UK Class 66 going from Garston's Felixstowe North. This is 350 120. And 125. 69's there. No gaff turn. Oh! Hello! Freightliner Class 9, DB Class 90s. Yes, please. I think it was Garston's Felixstowe, this. Awesome. .90.040, that's Freightliner. Alright. Eh? Oh, I'm getting confused already. This line really confuses me. This is the Milton Keynes, this is the 0857 London Northwestern Railway service from Euston to Milton Keynes. Thank you very much. 352.63. And 352.42. Okay, alright. Well, it's showing the 69 was due now, but clearly it's held up behind this. Alright, yeah, so them 90s were from Garston's Felixstowe. I was expecting a shed on that, so I was a bit caught off when it was a 90, and it was red, so I assumed it was DB, but it's actually a Freightliner, so yeah, that makes sense. Right, I'll get it going out in a second. Oh, I don't know what's going on now. 391.52 from London Euston to somewhere. I don't know where that's from. And then now departing is the 0857 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes. Yeah, Milton Keynes Central. Christ. .354.05 brings up the rear. That's cracking, that Freightliner Class 90. I was expecting that to be a DB one, so it was red, but it's actually a Freightliner. What's this behind me now? God, it's just... Oh, things are getting backlogged. But now coming through is going to be a pair of London Northwestern Railway Class 350s going from Rugby to London Euston. Going through... Can't tell if it's going slow or quick. Fairly quick. 404. I'm 116. And we think we've got a 390 about to come through. I'm going to have to put these up in the captions because I didn't have time to really check these. Yeah, there's a 390 coming through. I don't know what this is. So I'll put it up in the captions because I didn't really check in time. $390,049 with cracking 2-ton from the driver there. Thank you very much. It did not make me jump. Right, she's gone. Where the bloody hell's this 69? No, still no sign of her. I'll give up. She'll be coming through in a second, hopefully. Okay, past through now. It's going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. $390,042 on that one. This 69 keeps saying it's at 0852 it's due to pass. Where is it then? I'll have to quickly check on the time train and see if it's got caught up somewhere. After there's a pass to Euston in a second. After that, I got about a 10-minute gap. Thank God. This line, every time I come on it, it's just non-stop. Like it's just constant. Just things getting modelled around us. But luckily, I think I'm getting them all right this time. So my last films on this line was just all muddled up, but I feel I'm getting there this time. There's only a few 390s that I've kind of missed checking real-time trains on, so I have to put the captions up for that. But yeah, no, I'm doing fairly well at the moment. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $390,009, cracking time from the driver there, thank you very much. An update on the 69, it's showing it's still at Camden. I don't know why. Maybe it's failed, maybe I've no idea why, but it's still showing it's at Camden. So if that leaves Camden now, it'll probably be about 30-40 minutes late. So yeah, now that 69 at the moment, it's a no-go, unfortunately. But chuffed to have caught the Freightliner 90 from Garson's Felix though, so yeah. Well, on the approach now is the 0912 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. We're by a pair of Class 350 Desiros. Right, leading her in is 352.46. On the rear is 354.08. These are the units that brought me here. And units that started the video off on their return. Lovely. Okay, the partner now is the 09, what was it, the 0912 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. And away she goes. So our next freight train should be in about half an hour. I'm going about at 69 though, but she might. I'll check now quick, and then next up I'll update you if she's left Camden. So it might have happened at Camden, but hopefully that 69 will get on the move again. But yeah, there goes that 350. Next train should be a 390. Okay, get ready to pass for now. It's going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Can we get the full beans? 390,040 on that one. Update on the 69, yep, still at Camden. So it was 15 minutes late into Camden and it's sat there now for the past like 25-30 minutes. So yeah, it's not looking likely at the moment. That was 69, maybe it might have failed or something. Oh well, still got a few freight trains to go here. Lovely, there she goes. Right, so we have a crossover about to happen here. So I don't know what the first one will be. Well, that one there is going to be a pair of Class 350s going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, crossing over at Ledburn Junction. And if we turn behind me, you got the Euston 2, but really love. You got the basically the same service just going the other way from Euston to Birmingham. So both a pair of Class 350s. Don't know what one's coming through first. I'm trying to calculate it. Well, that one will be going quicker. Just going to keep filming this way. Jolly good to know. Right, I think it's going to be the Birmingham one first. Indeed it is. Oh, it's the yellow one. .104 and 130, and here's 118. And 255. That yellow 350 was supporting Ukraine. It's the Ukraine 350. I'm not really a fan of that livery, it looks dreadful. At least it's supporting something cool though. Well, not cool really, is it? Something good. Right, there they both go, from Birmingham to London, and London to Birmingham. Jolly good. Okay. No surprise. No worries. Okay, past through now, it's going to be an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. And after this should have about an 11-minute gap. Sparking like a good one, 390, 130. I should have a Milton Keynes service due now, but it's running about 15 minutes late, so yes. And away she goes. Now this has got to be one of the most picturesque stations I've ever been to. You just got the station there. Just look at that. That is absolutely spectacular into the Buckinghamshire countryside. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, definitely the most picturesque station I've been to. Wow. Alright, passing through now is going to be a GBRF Class 66, hauling an intermodal train from East Midlands Gateway to Wembley. Ukraine 66708. Wow. Just as impressive as a 548 at Pangbourne with the full fans. Oh, love it. God, the fans sound so bloody good, man. I love that. Just wait for a 390 Mega 66708. Love that. Not seen that shed before. I knew it was 708, so it was on real-time trains. I just didn't want to tell you until she come through. It's the Ukraine one. I've not seen that one before. Love it. Full fans. Going from East Midlands Gateway to Wembley. Love it. Away she goes. Well, it's over 390 now. Okay, passing through now is going to be an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. $390,046, cracking two-tone there from the driver, thank you very much. And away she goes. Alright, passing through now is going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino, going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $0.20. As in a second we should have the heavily delayed service to Milton Keynes coming, so yes. Okay, approaching now is the 9:47 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. As behind me is a 390 off to Glasgow. $391.53, this is $354.05. $354.242 is in the middle. And $352.63 as behind me comes in is the heavily delayed 9:27 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes Central, running about 20 minutes late. And this is I'm not too sure. Going out in a second. Right, upon that now is the heavily delayed 9:27 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes Central, other way around, Euston to Milton Keynes. In the middle is 350, 370. And on the rear is 351.08. As passing through now, we have an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino coming through from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Here she comes. $391.34 on that one. And away she goes. Okay, quick charging break. Just pack it, do my bag. Just have a quick charging break. My phone is getting a bit low on battery, so yeah, I'm gonna miss a few trains for like about 10-15 minutes. But like there's no freight trains, so all you're gonna miss is 2 350s and probably like 2 or 3 390s. So yeah, you're not gonna miss anything interesting. Well, if the 390s or 350s are interesting to you, then I mean fair enough, because they are quite interesting. But I mean we've seen loads already, so I'm not really bothered about missing a couple. So yeah, I'm gonna miss a few trains, but I should be back with you in about 10 or 15 minutes. So yeah, you won't miss much. I'll move to this end of the world. My train's about 10 minutes late, so I've got to get a 10:12 out of here, but now it's at 10:23. So I've got a few 390s to go, and a 66, which is about to come through now. And yeah, some train spots on that path. That's why I'll move, because I don't want to get in their way. And I think they're going to do the, what we call the tone W. Well, the swear word, I don't want to say it, but you know, the tone W-A-N-K-I-N-G. And I'm not really into that kind of stuff, so I hate like signalling to the drivers to do horns, and that's not really my thing. And it's not that if it's a 66 it's going to blast its horn, and I bloody hate jumping at these things, so I've moved right down the end of this platform, because yeah, I know they're going to do that tone stuff, so I'm just going to stay here, film a few more trains, and that'll be me done here at Cheddington. I feel I can hear something. If so, this will be a Euston to Fantastic! 66525. Obviously mostly for them kids, but bloody hell. 66525 from London Gateway to Lawley Street. I couldn't even get it up in time. So I thought it was from Lawley Street to London Gateway. I read it wrong. So I thought it was the 390 off to Manchester, but when I saw that I was like, oh god, it's going that way. Fantastic, legend driver there. Mostly for them kids, but that's mega. That's one of the best times I've ever gotten. Lovely. Well, there you go. Right, them kids toning away for this 390. About to pass through now. It's going to be an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Might get a tone here. See if the driver's nice enough. Bloody hell. 39124 there. Jesus Christ. Bit of a Doppler that as well. And then we have one coming down. I didn't check this one. So that one's off to Manchester Piccadilly. I don't know where this one's from though. That Freightliner 66 though, what an absolute legend. So I thought it was the that 390 out of 23. I thought it was that, but then I saw the 66. I was like, oh god. I was not expecting that. Maybe another nice driver here. Not this. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you weren't going to do it then. $391.37. I put up in the captions where she's from. I have no idea. And you know what? As my train's coming in about 4 minutes, I'm going to leave the video there, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Yeah, cracking film here at Cheddington. Got loads of tones. Got some mega tones. It's been really good. Seen a couple of freight trains, and yeah, it's been really, really good. I really enjoyed it. So my next station is going to be Berkhamsted. Literally 2 stops that way. I was going to go to Apsley, but I thought, nah, I'll go to Berkhamsted. I saw a Tring as well, but Tring's good, but you can't go on the fast lines. At Berkhamsted you can, and Berkhamsted you've got an amazing curve for 390s. So I'd love to go there. So that'll be my next station. But yeah, fantastic film at Cheddington. I'll definitely be coming back here eventually. Yeah, fantastic. Really enjoyed it. Got some mega tones, freight trains, 390s, 350s. Yeah, fantastic. Right, from me here at Cheddington, I'll see you at Berkhamsted, guys. Take care.